Are you unhappy with your lawyer? Simple truth. I'm going to give you 3 facts that maybe your lawyer won't tell you, but you need to know. Number 1, the case file belongs to you. That means at any time that you want, you can ask your attorney for the complete file. Whether that's paper or electronic, the attorney has to give it to you so you can request your file. That's right number 1. Right number 2 is at any time you can fire your attorney. So you're not obligated to stick with your attorney just because they have a retainer agreement. Just keep in mind, even at the trial, you have the right to terminate. You are the principal, your attorney is the agent. That means you are the boss, and your attorney, while giving you advice and guidance, is acting only with your consent and permission. Always keep that in mind. You are the boss. Number 3, the only person who determines whether you settle your case is you. Your attorney doesn't settle that. Your attorney can't force you to accept a settlement. Only you decide that. You'll get advice, guidance, hopefully, from your attorney, but you decide whether to settle your case or not. So a very common scenario that we have is we'll get a call from someone who's unhappy with their lawyer, and they say, what should we do? My number 1 piece of advice, if that attorney has been working on your file, they know it better than anyone else, they'll do the best job for you. But if you feel that you can't trust your attorney, then it's time to split. There's nothing that can be done to fix a lack of trust between you and your attorney. So if you feel that there is still trust, ask for a meeting with your attorney. You need to educate yourself. You need to be an advocate for yourself. Find out everything that you need to know about your case at the meeting, learn it, and if you're unhappy and you feel there's a lack of trust, then it's time to look elsewhere. Now, does your attorney still have a right to a legal fee if you fire them? That depends. So what it depends on is the attorney fired for cause. Cause means the attorney did something wrong with your case. So they didn't file discovery papers or they did something wrong with your case. If your lawyer is fired for cause, that means they do not have a right to a legal fee. Now, if the attorney is fired for some other reason, let's say, for example, you just don't like them, then they are entitled to what's called a charging lien and a retaining lien, and they can get paid a portion of the legal fee at the end of the case. So that's really important, because if you go to another law firm, the first question that they're going to ask is whether the other attorney was fired for cause. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We would love it. If you comment, I'll respond, and I'll see you next time.